Of course, nalipatan nga ng tadti panagyaman apo iti R.A. Agustin for the very nice service apo at ay balasang dati ng taripato kinitatay ko. So, Kenka, Ate Lolit, and Kuya Ronnie of R.A. Agustin Funeral Services. Thank you so much for the flowers. Nagitin ng mati flowers gayam apo. Of course, Sweet Radio 97.7 and ni Manang Magdalena Bautista. Sino ba kita duma? Our LGU family headed by Jesus Ladaran. Thank you so much, sir. And kadagiti aduti talaga hanming maarentar nga talaga nga kuan. So thank you so much kada kayo amin, and pa iti kaya mga kansyonan basang
kada dita.
Okay, let us see diti folder mo taparbaring no diti mo.
Ato nga mabalen.
Pwede yan.
Pero yung lyrics niya okay lang to kaya. Ay ka madik nga kankantaan ato iti ko kasto. Numangmangag ko lang. Pasurutak lang.
Try. So,
sige.
Nakatsyon natan. Baka nababa.
Boses sa kanya to. Bulutin talaan ka. Okay. So, once again, Odessa.
Okay na.
You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the mad sense I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you?
Ay,
Sorry if sometimes I look past you.
Giving jila kay kanya
There's no one beyond your eyes, beyond your inside my head. The wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's so true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Beyond your eyes, you are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you?
Hello, Arnold Cilialas de la Cruz. Watching.
Jigo.
Beyond your
Natang Amulatan mo yung alinyana, Beyond Your Eyes.
Those are backups kung kunada nga kurang.
Gusto kong ipakanta kayo ito kasi Lost in Your Eyes.
Awan sa tikwata.
Sige kayo, ano da? Madiction.
Wala tayong
In Your Eyes. Bagay sa kanya.
Wala
Siyempre,
tayong
Debbie Gibson ba?
Wow!
Lumaki din ako doon.
Wow,
Made, adilatan na daddy nga to.
Valentine?
and of course,
Uray ta umadanimutan iti.
I want
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's.
Ito mo mabalin siguro nga. Matikpay na daw nyo.
Lyrics na.
okay, at this moment, ket na po pagkablao dati gayom tayo. Of course, please greet Mama Edna and Papa Elmer Manong. They are listening online. Okay, hello, good afternoon and good evening, Medita. Of course, Edna and Elmer, the gijay from Iwa Beach. Yan, dagitay nang kinansyunan mi apo dijay Dolores Abra nga ingana tagat buy-buya pala DJ pasarabot kanya nga gap ko na ng sweatshirts, and thank you so much iti panagayat iti for the duo and iti Italian film DJ kat gaplapusan and that we were able to buy a new mapaling nga pang down payment tilugan and subli kami adjay apo to perform
internet jo.
Nagbuntok.
Ay, mabilis yan.
Mabilis yan sa amin, ha? Tumatari
lang.
And here's another piece from Odessa as we celebrate Valentine's Day.
Naguri ka, di lyrics ka.
Bagal.
Kaya, oo.
Yung OS kaya ng cellphone mo bagal.
Lyrics.
Pwede rin.
Kailangan palitan.
Siyempre hanggat pwede, no? Tipid-tipid tayo. Hindi yung one day millionaire.
Yes. And,
ayan, meron na.
I like your story. Ang talaga mo, DJ, panangyang kas naking kanitatay.
Oo naman.
Kung
tsaka pinaka may mga funny moments kami ni tatay agijing ino agluluto ko agtuntuno ko masuna wano agluluto nga ti gamit mi kabigbegang kasta siya apanak pa ilagala ti pot holder awanan di kalob na ikatnan tama di nga tabtablan ti pudot dapat di time inigaman na di bigga.
Oh my God.
Ito ako, apay madi kayo masinit madi anak ko ta nagpuskul mo ti kalyo ti ima kon nana. Tsaka kanayin ko bagbaga kanya da ataman mukod yo dalusan nyo.
Yeah.
Mukod aji soul ati soul ti saka ati hill di ba nagtangken na dati kalyo-kalyo na isuna gaputan natangken ajay kalyo na still brush ti gamit. Nagijay. Di ba?
Oh my God.
Nabuibuyak mo't isudan o kasanuda nga aghinhinang, kasta. Nagijay kinasaksak mo't iti managdagkal ko.
Speaking of hinang, nagita nga trabaho nito ting agas-asa ti ragadi ti makinaragadi. There was this certain kumpare na nga nagpaasa ti ragadi di balay. While nanay iskas ta unay mo ti ubrana di unig ti balay aluto di ta kay. And tatay is doing the asa-asa of the ragadi. Di manual apo ang panagasa kasta.
Adyan dati triangle na file. Triangle file. And kasta unay nga asa na doon tani malpas half day na sangin na tinatrabaho. Tapos hanlang nga dahil tinarami dahil parami ti kumpare na nagaramit pa isunod ti kaluban iti ragadi. Edi alaan di kumpare na di ragadi pare manu nga iti bayad na kung ano di kumpare na baamon pare libre baamon pare kung apo ni nanay na kaungutan edi nakapano di kumpare nan deka man libre lang nga rudan ti asal ini kampay ti kaluban ti ragadi kanan mo agap apa naman those things nga talaga nga mangi aquatic na saya tamo ni tatay ngano kumpare na ti pagtutungtunganan awanan ti bayad din kasi mo ti pakaungtan na kaninanay tamo mo ni nanay very hard working ni jay. Ayan, so kada kanyada nga to ba no ay sa dinuman ti anda may saman nga sunata nga para kanyada. Sino kimanchon to Martina McBride, pero composed by Jim Brickman.
If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran you would still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. All of my life I have been waiting for all you gave to me. You've opened my eyes and showed me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this 1,000 times before. In my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. La 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 And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme, you would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. Oh, you're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
Parcel mo.
Oh,
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
you are too slow ako nata.
Puro yan nagkanta lang mo.
Alam mo naman na hindi live ang ating accompaniment. Kaya feel na mga iyatid to kaya ending na. Anyway, that's it. My Valentine. Apo dati mga ipasarding man ti live tayo no matiliw iti copyright.
Say, ay ganon.
Yes, iso nga kanayon nga dati Ilocano latan and our songs ti kang kansyon ni May tanong kami copyright. Anyway, that's it. And once again, we would like to thank Apo. Dagiti sponsor mi nga nagpapateg. Ken iti kamo dyan na. Iti line up. Iti line up. Medyo nantandi nga ipatlawan. Actually,
Nadlawan.
iti may isang kablaawan tayo. Apo, we have board member of 3rd District of Isabela, Attorney Karen Abuan. And of course, kagawad Walter Yumo Jr. And the former barangay captain Gloria Amin of Rizaluna.
Bong Kakayan.
Of Padtad Alicia, and of course kagawad Alice Dasig of Antonino, I should say.
Kagawad Maricon Grefal of San Antonino.
Yes, Attorney Janice Guitilen or Guitelen of Del Pilar.
Dr. Danilo Manang of San Antonino.
Yes, Kapitan Felipe Sabado of Rizal.
And Engineer Vic Valdez of Antonino.
Opo,
Okay.
iso nga binasa ka po. May isa man na po nga, dat lang nga sunata ti isagot. May kata kayo,
Nako, madi mabali na gansaran.
ano to, si kati kumansyonan ditan.
Ay,
Kansyonan ni kaanak kang Odessa
Alam
David.
ni Dayta.
Tribute song, of course, nalakalaeng dahindan. Tribute song to Tatay Felix. And of course, with your name.
Tago pero dito eh.
Yes, with your name,
Your address and your signature.
your age and address, and of course, the title of the song. Ito lang nga po official text
Text line.
line tayo.
Ay, may request dito. Miss Odessa, request ko man please yung I Need to Be in Love.
I know I need to be in love. Yun lang po ang alam kong line at nandun eh.
You can do the bossa nova version.
Yun lang po.
Actually, ito kumang kansyon ito ni John Mark.
Pasensya na po, hindi ko po alam.
Yes.
Meron kanyan eh.
I wish at atidog pa iti oras nga maawanin. I'm sorry, kakaaruba. And once again, for 500 man lang yun, padawat tayo tan.
Yeah.
For 500 peso load,
Mas naman, di mo natin,
Apo.
Odessa.
Inunaan da ito yung agteksan, taado nga medyo intid nga pa-premyo, itid man next time man, apo. Ayan.
Okay.
This time, iti daw dawatin mi kata kayo, haan laang title of the song, no sinupay ti Kim Mansion. Oh.
Original or
The original version.
the original version?
Not the female version or whatever version. The original, with due respect to the songwriter nga kunata, nga naikanti kung daway nga mai-video ta, pimusay isuna. Apaman nga na i-record dati nga sonata. Oh.
So, yung pitch niya pamabay.
Tingorod siguro dito ni.
Paano na nga ba yan? Hindi ko kanya na, matatapos pa yan.
Matatapos mo to dahil alam kong basta name the tune with your name,
Age,
address,
and the title
of the song.
Of course. The complete and the correct.
Ito lang official text line tayo, antabayanam nga rod. Dahito yan iti.lag asonata for 500 peso load courtesy of Walter R.J. Yumol of Barangay Antonino Alicia Isabela. Dahito yan, iti.lag nga sonata. Para king ka, tatay.
Muda nga dagdagos. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. It'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me.
Once again, para king ka, tatay. We will miss you.
I'm praying for much too much, but could you stand back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with
Luther Vandross. Ini come to touch of Luther Vandross. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. And adati na nga baken. 36 years old from Lacab, Jones Isabella. Iti paulo nga insurat na is Dance with My Father by the late Luther Vandross. And we would like to say congratulations for 500 peso load to Sherwin
Hekilan.
Ayan, 500. Insurat mo ba nung? Baka malipatan. Okay, so that's it. And with that, we are saying goodbye for now, and join us again next week for another episode of Sonata sa Maywang ni Ayat with Love sa Niwang di Biyagyan Ayat. Dito lang nga po kasamitan ng radio station din tayo Cagayan Valley 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Nagsabitan, this has been your Manong June together with
Des
and
John Mark.
yan, saying goodbye and God bless everyone. Have a nice day.